because whenever we start any issue meeting and any issue sessions, we just present this code of ethics. So in this issue meeting, we will act with care, dignity, and considerations, upholding all values of trust, teamwork, meritocracy, and justice. We shall not exploit this society forums for any commercial or personal gains, and shall avoid all real or perceived conflict of interest. And that our thoughts, words, and actions shall not dismiss the image and standing of issue. Okay, so thank you so much, and I do and hope everyone will agree with this code of ethics and will follow the same. Great. We have Mr. Devinder from Goa. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining this. Still, I'm mentioning this if any of one of your team member or any, because this session is organizing by the youth committee of ISHRE, which is youth at ISHRE. And I thanks to all my committee members, starting with Prabhat, Mohit, Ankur, Sandeep, from HQ, Ravi and Anil and Dheeraj is also there. So all the HQ team for trying to making this sessions successful. So together we will make it successful and very interactive. So moving forward, everyone has typed their city. We have Arya from Jaipur, Bharat Singh from Vadodara. Still, I can see very few people. I request my zonal team, if you are on the call, ask all your zonal chapter, all the chapter chairs, youth chairs especially, to join this call. This is very, very important. And the marketing chair, if any, because this is dedicated to the ISHRE, if marketing chair of ISHRE chapters can join this call, they will get something new to learn or new to implement. Okay, so I request whoever joined, please share the link to in your groups, in the WhatsApp group, ask them to come up and jump into this call. Great. So my next question is, I will be asking this question, then everyone has to type in the comment section, what is the main intention behind joining this workshop or this call? Just type in the short word, in a brief, in the chat box. Everyone, what is the main intention why you are giving the time and coming in this session? So we have Mihir sir is typing about learning. Other people, just type your answers. What is the main intentions why you are here? Reduce the man hour by using AI tools. Great, super. How to use AI? AI tools use. Okay, learn latest AI tools. Okay, great. Other people. Jennifer is saying learning something new, seeing you in action. Absolutely, the action is very important, because we discuss a lot of things, but very few things we could implement. So the action is very important. Use AI for marketing. Yes, so we will be discussing a lot of specific things related to the marketing. Get introduction to the AI, and I think everyone is using. I believe you might be using AI tools nowadays. Okay, because जो मैंने देखा था, because I will be using the English or Hindi mix, majorly English. Hope it is fine with everyone, but still I will try to cover those things. So what I've seen nowadays, a lot of people are creating content, okay, and they're using the tools called ChatGPT and other AI tools also. But how to use those tools effectively, that I will try to share those some information. So we have more responses. Get introductions. Okay, introduction to AI to gain insights on effective AI tools, continuous learning, learn AI in HVAC for better sales. Okay, great. I think a lot of people having some great intentions on joining this call. So thank you so much, guys, for joining this call, and hope I will try to make this sessions very interactive, and will try to share a lot of information. So please, I would recommend, please take out your notepad or pens if you can. Okay. So so that you can make some notes of some AI tools, and later on after the sessions, you can explore those AI tools also. Okay. So those things are very, very important. Okay. So moving forward, I will be sharing some one poll. Okay. Let me just take out my screen, and I will be sharing a one poll. Everyone has to participate in that poll. Okay. So give me a minute. I'm just presenting that poll on my screen, and I will be sharing that one. I believe everyone knows Slido.com. Just type in the chat box, I am or I am not. If you know Slido.com, this is the one tool which is a very interactive tool. Type I am in the chat box. If you don't know, type I am not. Okay. So, okay, whoever don't know, not a problem. This is the time you are getting to know about this tool. Okay, this is the tool we have used for our various ISHRE activities. Also, today I'm also using again. So what you have to do, I am just sharing my screen again. So this is my screen. Give me a minute. All right, so this is my screen. And everyone has to type slido.com, or you can scan the QR code which is available on the screen. Give me a minute. I think screen is loading. Yeah, screen is loaded now. So just go to slido.com or scan the QR code. You just have to put this hashtag code 4168207 and write the answer of this question. Which AI tools have you tried and used? Till now, what are the AI tools you have tried and used? I believe everyone is using AI tools in day-to-day life. ChatGPT, which is very most of the users are using this tool. Okay, ChatGPT. Okay, other people type your answers. ChatGPT. Okay, you can see maximum people are saying ChatGPT. Okay, other you can mention other tool also if you are using other tools as well. Which AI tools have you tried and used? So you can see ChatGPT and Grok. Someone said Grok also. Great. I think people are using Grok as well. Gemini. Okay. People are typing the code also of this meeting. Do not type the code here. You have to write the answer of this question. Okay. Lovable AI. Lovable AI. I think that's a good one. I will also share what is the lovable AI. Gamma AI. Okay. Gamma. Other people are DeepSeek. I would recommend do not use DeepSeek. It's a Chinese product, but yes, it's fun. You can explore anything, any thing. You can use it. But yes, that's a one. Other people just type napkin AI. I think someone has copied my presentation. Okay, so that's the person is posting those two only which I'm going to cover. Okay, black box AI. Okay, UCOM, Gamma. Okay, all right. You can. I hope everyone see can my screen and you are able to see the tools the people are using. So majorly with ChatGPT is on the bold green is a tool which maximum people are using. Okay. Still only 19 responses came, and in this meeting we have a great number of people. Only 19 responses I have received. I request everyone to participate in this poll. You just have to go to the slido.com and put the code 4168207 and write the answer. Which AI tool you have tried and tested in the past or till now? Okay, maximum people are saying here in ChatGPT in this chat box also. Okay, so if you're not able to access this Slido, you can use the chat box also. So some Drupal is saying Grok, Hozaifa is saying Canva. Okay, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google is saying Perplexity, Copilot. Yes, that's a very good tool of Microsoft. Gemini, Google. Uday is saying Gemini. Okay, great. Super. AWS Nova AI. Okay, this also some people are using. Right, Ramina. Okay, that's also good too. Okay, super. Hope now you people have an idea what are the tools we have in the market. I know, and everyone knows ChatGPT is there. There's a one more Meta AI. If you have used Meta AI on your WhatsApp, I think you are using your WhatsApp. There's a one purple color ring is also there that helps you to that's a Meta AI, and that you can use on day-to-day basis. Like you can create a group also, and you can just type everything whatever you're getting from the Meta AI. So that's the thing for easy access Meta AI, you can use it. But yes, we will be discussing more tools on a go ahead. So I just wanted to see which all tools you people know. I think someone has mentioned this intelligence. Okay. All right. Super. Thank you so much everyone for participating in this poll. And now I'm just closing this poll. Give me a minute. I'll just close this one. Let me come back to screen again. So thank you so much. And so in this call, okay, I have made some very few slides, and but I will be doing more on the tool side. So, but in the slides, I have just put the name of the tool we will be using that. And in that tool, we will be seeing which tool is good for which thing. Okay, I know Chat GPT, everything can be solved in that tool, but still, if you want to go to the specific task, okay, specific thing, which tool will give you the more good answers, more good responses, okay, and what are all the things you can do through these tools, okay. So I just want to know who all are active on social media. Just say I am in the chat box, or just type SM, social media. If you are active, do not raise your hand. You just have to type in the chat box, SM in the chat box if you are active on the social media. Social media means you're acting on LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or whatever platform you're using. Okay. I think most of the people are active on the social media. Which platform you use? Just type the name of the platform, which of the platform, maximum time you use in a day. Just type the platform name in the chat box. LinkedIn, X. Uday is active very on X. Okay. Twitter. Drupal is saying Twitter. Yogesh is saying WhatsApp. Okay. Here is Insta. Kiran is saying LinkedIn, Facebook. Nina is saying LinkedIn. Okay. Because why I'm asking? Because if you are planning, because it's not just right now what happens now, we consume the data. We do not create, we consume a lot of data. Okay, we just go to the platform, we open the Instagram, we just watch all the reels or post, and those are consumed. So consumers, we are just consumer. We have to become creator. And these, whatever the tools I'm going to showcase to you today, those tools can help you to make a creator. Okay, I'm not saying influencer, but a creator. You can be a creator of your industry, of your work, whatever you work. So Jennifer is saying Facebook. Then we have Bharat is saying LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp. Okay, Anup is saying Facebook. Okay, great. So great tools you are using. So I will be sharing some tools which can help you to make the content very easily, and you can start posting content also. Instead of consuming, creating content is also very important so that you can build your followers. Okay. So this question is related to this thing also. If you are using this platform, have you followed the issue page there on that platform? Just say followed in the chat box, or F in the chat box if you have already followed issue page in on these platform. Followed. Okay, followed. Already followed. Great. I think everyone is following. If not followed, I request you to please go now and follow our issue page. We exist on all the platforms, starting with LinkedIn. LinkedIn, we have 28,000 followers right now. We have a target to achieve 45,000 this year, and we need your support. Okay, so please follow our issue page. Then we have Facebook. Facebook, we are around 44,000 followers. I need your support to reach out to 50,000 this year. Why I'm saying, because this year Ishure committee Ishure Youth at Ishure committee has got this marketing kind of a stuff. That's why I'm promoting this thing also. Hope it is fine. Everyone, please follow if you're not following Ishure stuff, so that you will get to know regular updates, what Ishure is doing, what Ishure is bringing new initiatives. Okay, so those things are very important. So let me come back to my presentation. Give me a minute. I'll just showcase. Okay, give me a minute. I'll just opening the slide. In the meantime, if you have any questions, any doubts, please feel free to put in the chat box. We will be taking those questions in between, because as I mentioned, we will make these sessions very interactive. Okay. And if you want to come on the this panelist section, I will be happy to take you in the panelist also. Okay. Give me a minute. I'll just. Yeah. Hope my screen is visible, right? So this topic is all about AI Unleash superpower. You supercharge your workflow with smart tools. Okay. So let's start with the let's know each other. I think everyone has posted their city. Okay. But can you make a very brief, what is your expertise? Just type your expertise in the chat box. What you can do. It can be technical, non-technical. What is your expertise? Or professional, personal, in the chat box. Everyone, type your expertise. So we have Ali Sudai, who is a HVC system design. Okay. Kiran, I am into refrigeration. Okay, great. I'm just shouting out these things because you people get to know each other. Other people, type your expertise in a very brief line. Okay. Loy Lobo is from HVC and facility management. Then we have Pulak Goyal from, let me just open this. Pulak Goyal from sustainability consulting for buildings. Atul Joshi, energy audits. Uday, we are experts, ADP, market manufacturing. Devinder, energy transition net zero. Narsimha is saying energy auditor and consultant. Then we have Sanjay Mishra, instrumentation and automation. He manufacturing coils. Okay, great. I request everyone to type your expertise in the chat box so that other people will get to know, yes, yeah, we are into the sessions, youth additional sessions. We are getting to connect with each other. Okay, so that's very important. Everyone, type your expertise. I'm not asking company name, type only your expertise. what is like who are you? What is your expertise? Everyone. So we have 16 more. Yogesh is MET engineer. Then George is air filter manufacturing. Sunil is academician. Then Trupal chiller industry. Uh, Charu Chandra water. And then we have Ninath, who we are into coil manufacturing. Then we have a manufacturing ADP, which is Sangeeta. Then Bharat Singh, MEPF service consultant. Nisha, electrical panel manufacturer. Mohammad Khumri, sustainability consultant. Praveen from NMAC, HVC design specialist. Amit, MET consulting. Jennifer, green building, super. Pankaj, HVC contracting. Athar, HVC design, HVC Hosaifa, HVC design. Tejas, MET consulting. So I think we have great experts in this room. I think you are have an expert of a lot of things, and if we all come together and collaborate, so you can see how the world will look like. Okay, so we have Yogesh also HVC concept to commissioning. So majorly people from the HVC, but still we have people from green buildings and different other things. Great, super. So that's how I must say thank you so much everyone for taking out time on the Wednesday, which is a weekday at 4 o'clock. You are joining these sessions. So let's move forward. So we will be starting with every known tool, which is my AI. This is my clone, you can say, and he is saying hello to you. Let me ask my AI clone to hello to you. Give me a minute. I'm just opening my AI tool, and the person will hello all the member. Give me a minute. Hi, GPT. So with me today, I'm hosting a Youth Artistry workshop, and can you say hi to all the people who are joining this workshop from different part of the India?
Hello, everyone. A big welcome to all the participants joining the Youth Ishri workshop from different parts of India. It's fantastic to have you all here. I hope you have an engaging and insightful session. Enjoy the workshop.
Great. Thank you so much. So this my AI clone has just give you a hello, and so on the screen it is there, but on my mobile she is there. So thank you so much. Now let's move forward. We will be starting with Chat GPT. Okay, I think everyone knows how to use the Chat GPT. Whenever you are getting any inputs, you are giving in the Chat GPT. But how to make them effective response. Okay. So there is a one thing which is called prompts, okay, which you are putting in the tool, okay, and that prompt should be more, we can say the in a detailed manner. If you are just putting, give me this one, that answer will come, but it will be very minimal as per your let's try. I think if I will not say, I'll just try it out. Okay, so I'm just going to my Chat GPT. Let me just open that one and hope my screen is visible. I'll just this one. So here I was mentioning about the AI, everything and all. Okay, so let me just mention about today's thing. Issue about. Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be just putting prompt here, and we will make a surrounding. Okay, like I just mentioned on the this voice memo. Okay, and the Chat GPT responded according to me. That is the Chat GPT, not my AI assistant. This my Chat GPT. I just give a command to her, and the Chat GPT responded. Okay, so similar things. I'm just hosting, like today I'm hosting. So I'm writing here. Don't put very short. It should be very detailed. Today I'm hosting a youth artistry event, and I want to make a LinkedIn post. I think, as I mentioned, if you are active on any platform, LinkedIn post, can you help me to make it in this webinar, in this workshop? I am covering AI tools to supercharge of our work, or super whatever the thing. Okay, also divide uh, also make this post with impactful hook line. Okay, because whenever you are writing something, I think when the AI came, uh, it was giving the answers like this: exciting news. And then I think everyone has seen that features. Like whenever you're posting something for LinkedIn, you're asking something or any social media platform, it was like exciting news, and then your achievements was coming. But now, if you are giving the whole context to the GPT, then it will create the answers like that. So I am just asking, also make this post with an impactful hook line. Okay. Also divide this post in liners in small liners along with emojis. Okay, the emojis will also come in this post. And in the end, give a call to action to join Ishre. Okay, because as we are doing this session on Ishre platform, so I want people who are watching, who are reading my post on LinkedIn, they should get aware about Ishre. So I'm just posting this thing on Chat GPT, and accordingly, this will give the response. I have just created a surrounding and with the context set kar diya. Now it is giving the response accordingly. Okay. It is little slow at my system because due to the internet, but I believe it will be fast at your site. Okay, because my memory is full. ChatGPT comes with a memory, and I'm using the free version right now. You can try it out your paid version if you want that as well. Okay, so that paid version will work it out. It's around $20 or close to 2,000 rupees. That will be there the fees. Okay, if you want, but I think free version suffice all the requirement. So that is the one thing. So it is coming, the post is coming shortly. In the meantime, let me just give the one more feature here. Okay, let me just open this one. Yeah. I'll just close my all the tabs here because which are not using. Let me just close this one. And I request everyone to just type this kind of a prompt in the chat GPT. I will also give you the prompt. We will be doing one exercise, okay? And everyone has to do it. Will you do that exercise with me? Everyone type, I will in the chat box if you will do that exercise. Everyone, just type I will in the chat box if you will do the exercise with me. I'm going to give you the one exercise, and that we will be doing on this call only, on this this session, not later than. Okay, give me a minute. I'm just taking out the link, that exercise. So what we will be doing, to write the prompt, we have to first write something in our end. Okay, right now I'm just putting the answers or putting my content directly on the chat GPT, but I would recommend try to use Google Doc or something and write your like we can say your thoughts or your ideas, what you want from that tool. Okay, so before moving forward, let me just give you the answers which I have received from chat GPT. Give me a minute. I'll just show my screen. Okay. So see, the answers is here. You can see the ChatGPT has given supercharge your work with AI. The future starts now, and it has divided, as I mentioned, it has divided the content in a one-liners. And because I used to put the content, if you go to my LinkedIn profile, I used to put the content in a one-liner so that it is readable. If it is in a paragraph format, generally people do not read the whole paragraph. If it is in line format and if it is connected to the other line, you will see people read each and everything. So what if you could work smarter and all similar to that? Today I had an incredible opportunity because I will be posting this thing from my personal profile. If I am posting this thing from Ishre platform, that I will give the context like that. Okay, I will be posting this content from Ishre platform. So write the content accordingly. So we explored power tools, chat GPT, notebook, KLM. So these are the tools that I'm going to cover. Then from content creation to smart research, from automation to presentation magic, AI is transforming. So it has given the context also. In the end, not a part of Ishre yet. Now is the perfect time to become a part of the community that empowers, uplifts, and drives change. So if you are from chapter page, if you are posting, if you're a Ishre marketing team, or if you are from UChair, if you're posting something, you give the context, give a call to actions. In the end, if the people is reading your post, in the end, they should be aware about Ishre and they should join this society, this beautiful society. Okay. So join Youth at Ishre, be a learner, be a leader, be the future. So this is the answers we have received. If you want to tweak, you just give a command accordingly, and ChatGPT will give you the answers accordingly. Got it? Just type "got it" in the chat box if you have got it. This how to write the prompt. Okay, the prompt engineering we are saying. Okay, how to write the prompt. Just say, right, got it in the chat box if you got this thing. Okay, so do not write, I want to create a LinkedIn post on AI tools. No, right? In a detailed manner, like what you can do. Today, I attended a one Youth at Israel event, which was about AI tools, and in that event, I learned about these tools. Thanks to Israel for organizing this event. Now, take this content and write a LinkedIn post. In that post, ask people, ask my listeners or ask my viewers to join Ishre like XYZ chapter. So that's how you can market your chapter activities also. If you are planning to market your chapter events and all, this is how you can write the post. Okay, so that's the one thing. Similarly, in your personal life, if you're in your office, also if you're planning to write something, that's the one thing. Clear, everyone? So ChatGPT is everyone using, but ChatGPT can be used for any work. Okay, but apart from this, you can do a lot of things. As I mentioned, I just give a command, so you can play. Yes, so you have to role, you have to context, description, instructions, example, whole surrounding what like as I gave a command through mobile. He right now I'm with Youth Artistry team or whole Ishre family, which they have joined across the India and across different part of the world. So accordingly, that Chat GPT responded on the call. Okay, so that's how you have to give the whole context. Got it, everyone? So this is the things you have to set it, and accordingly you will get your responses. So play with it. Definitely, you will love it. Okay, because we started this engineering and all until we do not go in the thing. So you have to play with it, and then only you will get the responses. Am I not audible to you? I think someone is saying not audible. Hope my voice is coming, right? If it my voice is clear, just type clear in the chat box. If I am able to everyone, just type clear in the chat box. Clear. Okay, great, great, great. Super. Let me just, what is the notification here? Okay. So chat GPT, I think someone mentioned what is the chat GPT concept of Ishre. Please note Ishre is also evolving. Okay, and check this tool. Why we are organizing this session so that the youth, I think if you are from different chapter of India, the youth is having a lot of things to do. Okay, and we have set up our MPOs, so we have to automate something. We have a one work to marketing. Okay, marketing of our activities and all. So to utilize these tools can be helpful in those activities. Okay, so that's how you can work it out. Okay, great. I think my voice, it's soft. Let me just write off if I can increase the volume from my side. It might be due to the network, but yes, okay. Yes, so this is also very important. I think Mihir boss mentioned, please include how you can fill details in settings in chat GPT so it answers like you. Okay, so how you can do that, you just have to go here and like, let me show you. Hope my screen is visible. Just go here and here in the settings. So once you go in the settings, uh, so it will give you the theme, what the theme you want for the platform. Always show code when using the data. Archive chat if you want, archive all chats. Because ChatGPT use the memory. It might slow if you have a lot of things. Here is the things, personalizations. Okay, custom reference memories, custom instructions. If you want to give a custom instructions, what should ChatGPT call you? So whenever I am putting, I have not put right. Whenever I am asking to ChatGPT something, so that first, the ChatGPT should call me Anuj. Okay, what do you do? You can mention your business, your expertise, your company profile, whatever things you can mention about Ishre. What traits should ChatGPT have? So that's also very important things. It should be encouraging. It should be forward thinking. It should be poetic. Okay. So poetic means like if you're asking some shairi, some anything or funny things, accordingly ChatGPT will give the response on it. Okay. So that's something you can mention here. Anything else ChatGPT should know about you. You can mention your interests, your hobbies, whatever things you can do. That will be very helpful for ChatGPT to understand your persona. Okay. So if your persona is clear to the ChatGPT, accordingly you will get your answers. Okay. So that's a one important thing. So thank you so much, boss, for mentioning things. So this is how you can customize your chat GPT. Apart from this, the speech thing, like example, speech is here. If you want to, as I mentioned, I use the phone for the speech thing. You can change the speech of the person you want, male, female, and all accordingly. I think everyone use Siri, Alexa, and all, but they are not generative AI. Chat GPT is a generative AI. You just give a one prompt, and accordingly they create the content. They generate the content from different sources. Okay, so you can change the voice also, the how it should be played, the main language, data controls, builder profile if you want. So I would recommend you can add your LinkedIn accounts or whatever the accounts you have. You can connect with that. But one more thing, which I would like to mention, do not share anything confidential in the platform. Okay, as you mentioned, this platform, somewhere the data is data is captured. Okay, so do not share any confidential information related data on the chat GPT from the security purpose. Okay, that's one important things. You can use it, you can play it around, and a lot of things can be done. Okay, so let's come back to the presentation. So what you have to do, I am just giving a one, hope my screen is visible. So this is the one uh, codex I have made for you. Okay, live automation codex. Okay, I will be giving a one copy of this document to you. You can use it, you can download it, and you can play around it. Okay, so the question first, these are the prompts. Okay, top 3 business goal I want to achieve in 6 months as a green building expert, as a HVAC expert, as a manufacturing of this industry. You can add it accordingly and write your answers in the 3 pointers. Okay, so you have to put this one. Top 3 health goals I want to achieve in 6 months. You want to achieve your weight, you are at XYZ weight. You want to achieve, you want to hit the gym daily, something, anything. Okay, so you can write those things in these 3. Top 3 personal goals I want to achieve in 6 months. If you have set some, because 2025 is going on, in the next 6 months, if you want to achieve something, write those top in the 6 months, top 3 goals. My top 5 non-productive activities. I know everyone is moving from productivity to the non-productivity. In a day-to-day basis, we are doing a lot of non-productive work. We are doing a productive, some productive work. So my top 5 non-productive activities that's not adding any value to my life or business. Right, 5 those activities. My top 5 productive activities. My top 5 super productive activities. 5 areas I need to improve on. My top 3 strength, unique abilities, and my top 3 income producing activities. Is the prompt clear to you? Type clear in the chat box. These are not prompts. These are the questions which you have to respond first, and then I will be sharing the prompt to you. Is it the questions are clear to you? Like, what are the things you have to put in very brief, not in detail. We will not go in detail, but in the later stage, you can go into detail. This thing I've been sharing to you. What I'll do, I'll just share, and you can just, if you're on the laptop, I would recommend please copy this content, and from this one, I'm just posting here in the chat box. Copy this content and make a copy and in a Word file and start responding. We will take, I think these are the 9 questions. Can we have a 10 minutes exercise now and everyone will respond on it? Everyone, can we have a 10 minutes time now and everyone will respond on it? I am just putting a nice music here. Take the content from this post. Everyone is able to access this Word file. It will be in the publishing in a web page manner. You can copy the content. If you're on the laptop, put in another Word file and write your answers. Then I will be sharing you the prompt, like what the prompt you have to put in the chat GPT or other tools. I'm just putting a one music. Everyone has to do this exercise right away. We are at 4:38. We will be here at 4:48, and we will be starting putting the prompt. How you can, I will be the prompt also. I think in this file you will be able to see the prompt also, which you can use it to generate your answers. Okay, but let's put your answers first. So I'm just putting a music. Everyone, please do it right away. Take 10 minutes time. Listen the music and do it. Give me a minute. I'll just play a music around. And in the meantime, if you need any questions, put your questions in the chat box. Okay. I'm just putting a music now. Everyone has to do this exercise. Everyone, please do this. Okay. Hope everyone is doing that. I'm putting another music in place, but we have 5 more minutes to go, and then we will discuss those chat GPT things. All right, so it's 4:48 as I mentioned. I'll give the 10 minutes time because we have a lot to cover. So hope everyone has write some answers. Just type I did in the chat box. If you have wrote some answers, what are the exercise I gave, just type I did in the chat box. Everyone, whoever just responded or did that exercise, type I did in the chat box. I did to some extent. I did. Okay. Everyone, I need responses from everyone. If you have not completed yet, I request go back. You are already at home or office, but yes, after this call, after this sessions, you can fill that up in a detailed manner. Okay, write in the detailed manner all the answers, and let me just showcase that how it will work it out and how you can perform the activity after this. Let me show you. So what you have to do, you have to write the answers of those questions. It is related to your life only. I am not asking to write anything specific to anything. It is only about yourself. Okay. So you have to write top three business goals. If you are a job person, job oriented at all, you can write your job goals. Okay. If you have business goals, you write those things. Health, I think for everyone, health is very important. Write your health goals, personal goals which you want to achieve, and all other topics. The productivity things is very important. My top five productive activities. Do you want? Can I give you the some answers of mine? Do you want that? Type I want in the chat box, and if you want, which I wrote for myself, the answers of these topics. Okay, I want. Okay, let me show you my codex, like which I wrote. Let me just go back to my codex, and this is my life automation codex. I've made all the bookmarks, so you can see related to this thing. So you can take some ideas like what I have wrote. Top three business goals I want to achieve. I want to achieve a 5 lakhs per month revenue with a 30% net profit. I want to attract community of 20,000, 2,000 customers in these courses and all, because we are into the learning. So you can just, I want to grow my Instagram because everyone wants to grow on different platform, 10,000 YouTube, 5,000 LinkedIn, 20,000. This is the initial, like next 6 months. I want to lose 6 to 7 kg of this weight at 60. I want to drink more water, eat healthy food, and this is I want to mentally and emotionally heal myself through daily meditation exercise. Okay, so in the same context, you can also write it out. If you have a different, you can do that also. Top three personal goals: I want to take two credentials of sustainability. This. I want to do one art of living advanced course. I want to go for holiday to Europe and Turkey. That's my wish. Okay. My top six non-productive activities is spending more time for Ishre and Ashray work, because sometimes I put more time on Ishre and Ashray work, which is not required. But yes, this how I can overcome this. I have put here also watching TV series on Netflix. Sometimes we are busy in the Netflix, JioStar, surfing on internet, doing not required research, spending more than 1 hour a day on Instagram reels and all something. My top six productive activities: creating videos for Instagram and YouTube. This is my productive activities. Managing my finances and keeping things on track. Recording video courses, learning every day, managing high tickets clients and all. Work on my daily task list and earn a lot of money. That's is the wish for everyone. Okay. My top six super productive activities: working on my mindset daily and writing my goals, conducting weekly webinars, conducting this, building and training teams to create systems, create content, spend speaking in forums, getting exposure in front of the rooms and working in 4-day work week. So this is my top six productive activities. 6 areas I need to improve of: meta advertising, short form video creations, course creations, emotional resilience and mindset, community engagement, leadership skills that I want to improve on more further. My top six, three strength, unique abilities: creativity, technology, marketing. My top three income productive activities: consulting projects, my selling, my this, corporate trainings. Okay, so these are your answers of the topic. Now you can think about that and write your answers on these topics. What you have to do later, you have your prompt with you. I have write the prompt in the same file. Okay, if you go to the same file, if you must have copied the prompt, you have to write this content in the chat GPT and write the whole answers of these questions which you have written. So once you put that, click enter, and chat GPT will be the whole summary of your life. Okay, what you want to do, what you want, in which place you are good, which is not good. So it's the whole summary in a one place. You can take a print or you can download a PDF file and do read it out daily. Okay, so that will give you the some boost. Another prompt, based on my current life patterns, if I have to achieve my goals with ease, what are the top 10 things I need to do? Reorganize my life, map down on a table, and also at a priority level. So chat GPT will give you the priority, like this is your first priority, this is your second priority, and this is how. So this is the main prompt. Based on my current life patterns, if I have to achieve my goals with ease, what are the top 10 things I need to avoid? Map them on table. So this is how the another table will come. Then another, based on my current life patterns, if you had a breakdown these goals into 12-week time theme, 3 months, what must be the weekly focus for the next 12 weeks? So if you put this one, you have to copy the whole prompt. Don't copy again those answers. Only copy the same these prompts in the chat GPT this file, and you will get the answers. Another prompt for your life optimization. So use this prompt for life optimizations. This is for business principles. Okay. And then this is for alignment and actions. And this is for time management. So in this, in those questions, you are responding, and on the basis the prompt will work, and you will see the answers are lying, and on which things you have to work it out on your life, on your growth, on your business, on your society work, on other things which you're planning. Is it sounds exciting? Type exciting in the chat box if this sounds exciting. So I have given you the prompts which you have to use it. Everyone, type exciting in the chat box. You don't have to, but you just have to respond on those questions. Those questions are enough, and you just have to give these prompts to the chat GPT, and you will see the answers. Those will be amazing. You will see that this is where I am lacking. This is where I have to improve myself. Okay. Exciting. Okay, everyone, I think we have a good number of people on the webinar. I request everyone type exciting in the chat box if this sounds exciting to you. Everyone. Okay, great. So can we move to the next tool which I would be sharing to you? So let me come back to my presentations, and I will be sharing the next tool, which is, let me open. So we have covered the chat GPT. I think everyone knows about this tool. I would recommend use it, explore it, play around with it, and on a daily basis. Okay. Another tool is Perplexity. I think someone mentioned of Perplexity. So Perplexity is also a very good tool, similar to the chat GPT, but it is very good for the ideation purposes. Okay. What this ideation and all. Okay, chat GPT is for everything, but if you want for ideation and all, let me just open this window, which I gave a one prompt to Perplexity. Perplexity. It's a perplexity. What is the market size of e-learning industry, as well as especially related to the sustainable built environment? Because this is related to my field, so I've just put this questions, and you can see the answers which I am getting here. Okay, if you put related to your business, related to any of the things, you will see the numbers which is coming. Okay, these numbers might not be same coming in the chat GPT, but here, if you want to ideate related to your business plan, okay, or anything related to your startup, or anything related to your work, use this thing. Give the prompts like this, and it will give you the we can say the some related prompts also. How is this market expected to grow in the next decade? So these are the next kind of a related prompts which you have not thought, but you want to explore around it. Okay, so these things, the related prompts, the Perplexity will give you, and you can play around it. Okay, so I have just given a very small line. If I create a whole structure in a proper manner, it will give the response accordingly. So this is also a very good tool which you can play around it. It's also free, comes with the upgrade version, but I think in the free also you can do a lot of things. Okay, so please use this tool as well. Another tool which I wanted to share is let me show you, Grok. Had anyone heard about this Grok? Just say I am in the chat box. Grok. So Grok is also a very good tool for the real-time information. Okay, because I know everyone has seen this Operation Sindoor, Operation Keller, and all. If you ask these questions related to these topics to ChatGPT, you will not get exact answers on ChatGPT and all. Okay, if you use Grok, because Grok is from Elon Musk, like in all they Twitter, आप बोल सकते हैं Twitter का, this is the tool of Twitter. It is inbuilt in Twitter, in X also. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so Grok, once you go here, you just have to open It was here only. Let me open X. I'll open the X, or you can just open the grok. It's on x.com, which is your Twitter. It's a former Twitter. It's also inbuilt in that, because it takes the data from the real time, what is happening in current situations, what is happening in tweets. Okay, so here you will see the grok is here, and it's also free version. You can use it, and whatever the thing you ask, like let's ask for Sindoor, can you please give us major highlight, or the best part is people use, because someone has tweeted on the X platform, people are tagging grok, can you give the whole context of this tweet, and the grok automatic AI is responding on that tweet. Okay, so that's how you can see. So you can, I just posted highlights of the operations in do. So objective and target execution technologies, strategy impact, casualties, cyber dimensions. So you have seen, and it has taken the content from different tweets done by different resources, different news channels and all. Okay, so if you want to know anything related to the real time, this is the right tool. You have to explore it. Okay, and it is, I would recommend as much as you explore, because I also started exploring now, and I just got to know very good answers like which I put it, and I got a, so I thought like I should also showcase to you so that you can also explore about this thing. Okay, so grok you can explore here in the Twitter app itself. Also you can directly the different URLs for the grok, you can directly put that there also. Okay, so will you use grok for your real-time informations and all? Because we go to Instagram, we go to Twitter to get to know about real stories or real-time stories. I would recommend put those questions in the grok, you will get the right answers. Okay, so type grok in the chat box if you're going to use this tool. Grok, G-R-O-K, grok, G-R-O-K, grok. Type grok in the chat box if you are going to explore or utilize this tool for real-time information. Everyone, type grok in the chat box if you are doing. Elon Musk will be happy because a lot of consumers will also be here. Okay, great, super. Let's move forward. I have other tools to share. Then we have another is Napkin AI. Have you heard about this tool? Napkin AI, napkin.ai. Just type I heard or heard in the chat box if you heard about this tool, or not heard, not NH. If you have not heard about this tool, type IH. If you have not heard about this tool, type NH. NH, not heard. Not heard, not heard, not heard. Okay. Most of the people not heard. So Napkin AI is a very good tool. What you can do in this tool, let me show you. So what you have to do, you just have to go to on your platform and type napkin.ai. And once you go here, I think everyone wants to create a very good presentations. Okay, presentations can be created in the Canva or PowerPoint presentations. Canva is best. I am, whatever the presentation I'm showcasing you, that is in Canva. But to create those presentation, we need visuals. Okay, यार मेरे को विजुअल लगाना है, मेरे पास कंटेंट बहुत है आज की डेट में. नो वन रीड द कंटेंट, दे जस्ट सी द पिक्चर्स, दे जस्ट सी द विजुअल्स. On the basis of visuals, you will see you are giving your answers, you are giving your setting the context. Okay, so visuals are very important, but you have a content, you don't know how to create the visuals. So here is the tools for creating visuals. So you have to go to the napkin.ai. You can log in. I'm just signing in my napkin AI account. And this is amazing tool. I have shared this with my team also, how you have to do. Let's take example. I'm just creating a new tool with this one. Let me just, okay. And the best part is you can use the AI also in this tool. Like let's example, uh, can you, uh, I want to know about issue through visual. Okay, if you're preparing uh, any presentation for your chapters and all, I want to know about Ishre and its chapters. Okay, and its activities. Okay, so you will see The AI, it will do the work, the whole work like this. Let me show you. Overview of Ishre and its chapter. So the Ishre answers are here about Ishre chapters. Okay. Then some chapters names are also here. Technical seminars, workshops. So what are the programs Ishre does? Then conclusion. Okay. Now what you want to do? You want to activities of Ishre. You want to create a visual of this. You don't want कि हाँ मेरे को presentation में पूरा content copy paste करके डालना है. You want to create a visuals of this. You just select this thing. Okay. And what you will see, copy this thing, activities of Ishre, and click on this icon. You will see the whole content will be converted in the visual, and just you can copy that one, post in the presentation. So you will see in the down, see the presentations, Ishre manifested activities. So you can divide this into the different segment, different design if you want. Okay. So this is how you can make your presentation super awesome. Super awesome. You don't have to go anywhere. Use this tool. Create the content. Content के लिए आपको AI create करके दे रहा है. Visuals you are creating from Napkin AI. Okay. So if this is amazing, type amazing in the chat box. If this tool sounds amazing, and you have a multiple designs, you whatever the designs you want, you can use it. The best part is you can edit the content font, you can edit the color also, you can edit anything. Like example, I'm just taking this design as a reference. Okay. I'm taking this umbrella one. This is the one. How you can copy and download the things. You just, if you want to change the color of this text. Okay. So click on this. This is how it will be selected. Once it is selected, you just select this one. I'll just go label, and in the in the this sketch will be there. Okay. I just want to select this one, and here you will see you can change the color. You want to change the color of whole blue, yellow, black, whatever you want, you can do it. Similarly for the text also, you can do change the color of the text. How to download the design? Let me show you. Here you have an export option. Click on the export, and here it can be saved in the PNG format or PDF format or PPT what you want. You can just copy PNG and you can add in your presentation. Okay. So this is an amazing tool. Or this can be used for your social media marketing also. Like if you want to, you have a lot of content to share, but you don't have any visuals for that, and you are figuring out what to present on the social media. This is the tool. You just create the content. So the main question is Napkin available as free. So earlier it was free, but now I believe they have started their paid version also. But in the free, you can do a lot of things. You have some credits which you can utilize. Okay. So I joined this Napkin AI when it was in the beta version. It was free for all. Okay. But I believe they have started for a monthly around $9 fees that is there. But you can explore it as much as you can. Okay. And you can put a lot of content. अभी तो सिर्फ मैंने activities पे किया था. If I want to put about Ishre also, let me just show you. If I just create about Ishre, you just create for this paragraph, it will create something amazing information, amazing visual. So you can see Ishre's role in HVC and growth, industry advocacy. You don't have to create anything in the PowerPoint. हम generally PowerPoint में जाते हैं, create the charts and all. Here it's coming very nicely, and you can change the font style also of this one. So I would recommend go check this out, and this is amazing tool which is available with us. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Type again one more time. Type napkin in the chat box. It's not a tissue paper, it's a tool. Okay, type napkin in the chat box if you are going to use this powerful tool. Type napkin in the chat box, everyone. Why I'm asking to type, so that you will have a memory to have this name with you. Okay, napkin. Great. All right, let's move to the next tool which I wanted to share with you. Let me just go back to my presentation. So I'm using Canva. I will be conducting one more workshop because Youth at Ishre is here to conduct every alternate Wednesday. We will be having a one workshop from Youth at Ishre. Okay. So one workshop will be on the Canva also, because I use Canva on my day-to-day life. I believe most of you still using PowerPoint presentation, but Canva is just amazing. And Canva is having a lot of good features. Okay. But I will be showcasing you in the next workshop. Remove.bg. Have you used this tool, remove.bg? Just type I have in the chat box if you have used it. If you have not, just type no in the chat box. Remove.bg. No. I believe everyone wants to put a very good photograph on the LinkedIn display picture or the Facebook display picture, right? Everyone wants to put a very good display picture on LinkedIn and all, but we don't have a very good picture. We have a picture with a very bad or very not so good background. Okay, so this tool can remove your background. Okay, how to remove it? Oh, it's a free. It's a free. You can use it. I'll just go to remove.bg and you can change your background also. Okay, so I'll just go to the remove.bg. So some of the pixels of the photograph will go down, but for the display picture, that is fine. Okay, for HD quality, if you want, you can upgrade the tool. But for the display picture kind of a things, you can use it for the presentations, for your resume and all. You want a very good picture with a good background. So you just have to upload the picture. Now, how I will upload? I have just taken one photo here. Youth. Okay, I'll just take it out. This one. And the photo is getting uploaded now, and you will see I had a picture with my background, but I want to remove that background of that image, and I want to plain background with very good colors and all. Okay, so that is now AI is doing its work. So you will see after few minutes, after few seconds only, you will the background will be removed. The same thing can be if you're using Canva is also having the same features, but Canva might be that features in the paid version. Okay, so but this is the free one. You can use it and explore it. So this is the photo, and my whole background has been removed, and I want to uh, put the background also. I want क्या इस फोटो पे मेरा कोई दूसरा background होना चाहिए. You will have these options available with you. You want your plain background. I want to colorful plain background. So you can put your accordingly whatever pictures is best on the platform. You can use it. Okay, so this the green color, or you can black color, whatever the background you want, and just download this one. Okay, so if you have not used this tool, I would recommend you can do it. And similarly, you can use in the Canva also. You can export this image. You can download from here in the maximum quality. If you want in the maximum quality, as I mentioned, you want in the HD quality, you have to go for the advanced version. But for a free version, that is fine. Okay, so remove.bg is very good tool. I started earlier, I used to use it, but now I am using Canva, so I'm using that tool in my day-to-day work. Okay, because Canva can do a lot of things. Okay, so remove.bg was the one. Another tool is coming on your screen. Are you excited? Type BIO in the chat box if you are excited for the next tool. BIO. BIO. BIO, what is BIO? BIO is bring it on. So type BIO in the chat box if you are excited for the next tool. So there are a lot of tools available, but what I have explored I am just sharing those information with you. And the same things you can explore it further other tool also. So it will be very helpful. So I've just lovable.dv. That is kind of a, you can see from the name lovable.dv. It's a very loved ones tool. So lovable.dv, like I believe as an HVCNR, as a consultant, I don't know coding. Okay. But I want to create something lovable, create some applications and all. Now we have a IT engineers and all, but still we want to create some apps, some formatting and all. So those things can be done. Okay. So let me just open this. Give me a minute. I'll just because I got a prompt from my team, I'll just take out that prompt and I'll just put that one in the lovable. So lovable is kind of things if you want to create some application, some interface, user interface, you can use that tool. Okay, so I'm just putting that prompt in the this tool. Give me a minute. I'm just showcasing again. So ask lovable to create an internal tool that so you want to create a social media feed. You want to recipe collections, personal website, file upload, you want to. So I'm just want to, this is the tool. So I want to create a clean and user-friendly Agra Metro because I'm from Agra. That I've just using the Agra Metro navigation's web application using lovable.ai. The app should allow users to view all metro lines and stations in Agra, search for routes between two stations. So if you have something in mind, yeah, we have to showcase to any IT team who is working on your applications and all, and you want to showcase the wireframe and all. Okay. this tool can be used for it. Okay, display metro timings and all, include an interactive metro map, show nearby landmarks or tourist attractions, be mobile first and responsive for our screen. So this is the prompt you have set up, and just click on do it and it will create something for you. So it is working on it. It will create the user interface, how it works. If you put your station names and all, that will also work it out. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so it will take few minutes and it will be boom. Okay, so the response is that I love the idea and all. I'm just putting, just go with this, and it is working on it. So it will take few minutes to create that interface. So that's the power of AI, and I believe this is right now. I don't know what will happen in the future. So as people say, the AI in the there will be the lot of like we can say the job challenges. Like people will not get the jobs because AI will do a lot of work, but people will get the jobs who knows how to use AI. Okay, those people will get the job who knows how to use AI. So this is the very important thing I would like to share. With the time, as we started, we don't know, we didn't know about मोबाइल कैसे यूज करना है. देन मोबाइल यूज करना आया, उसके बाद स्मार्टफोन्स आ गए, स्मार्टफोन्स के बाद व्हाट्सएप आ गया. वी डोंट नो, अर्लियर वी यूज्ड टू टेक्स्ट ऑन द एसएमएस एंड ऑल. देन व्हाट्सएप हुआ. अब व्हाट्सएप के बाद व्हाट्सएप में भी एआई आ गया. ओके, I don't know where we are going. So in the future, lot of things are going to automate, and those things you have to learn on a time-to-time basis. Okay, so it's not like lot of jobs will be gone, lot of jobs will be created. As Mehir boss also mentioned, lot of jobs will be created because to organize these things, a lot of people are required in this industry also. And in our HVAC industry, in our building industry, lot of things can will be automated. Still, automation is there, but in the future, a lot of things will be automated through different tools. Okay, these tools which I am showcasing, it is very good for the content creations, for development, for marketing yourself, for personal branding, those things. Okay, through this we are creating more tools also. So it is working. This developer, because it is creating the whole interface, so it will take time. It is not kind of a chat gpt. Chat gpt just gives a response on the basis of data sets. It is creating the content on the basis what are the inputs we have given. So I will be coming back here again, but let me show you on another tool which I have. Okay, lovable, it is creating. So can I show you the next tool which is good? Type again bio in the chat box if you want another tool to be shared. Everyone, type bio in the chat box if you want more tool to be shared. Well, I have, I think, few more tools to share. Bring it on. Okay, great. Let me share. And please note, this session is getting recorded. So if you miss any of the part, we will upload this sessions on the YouTube, on our Ishre TV. So please do not forget to subscribe our Ishre TV. And I request Dheeraj to post or Anil to post the Ishre TV subscriber link in the chat box. Everyone, for the marketing team sites, please follow our YouTube page of Ishre. So another tool is, so there is a one more tool which is, there is an AI for that. So if you want to see what are the AI tools we have, so you just have to explore this. There is an AI for that.com, and you will see, you just have to put, you want to do this work. It will show you what are the AI tools can do that work. So this is the one thing I wanted to share. So you can make a screenshot of this. There is an AI for that. So this is the one thing. Another tool I wanted to share. I think I missed one tool here. Give me a minute. Notebook LM. I think it was here or not. Okay. I think I missed to add that in the slide. There's another tool called Notebook. Have you heard about this tool, Notebook LM? Type yes in the chat box if you heard about this tool. This is from Google. Okay. We have used the Gemini, but Notebook LM is very good tool if you try to export or if you want to learn from the notebooks. Okay, I know we can put the document in the chat gpt also, but chat gpt generally doesn't give the whole proper context of answers properly. So notebook lm is a very good tool. It's also free. It's free, so you can use it. So what I did, I created this one and I want to create again this document. So I attended one of the event in Chennai. Okay, last month I attended one of the event, and I write it all whole my documents like this. Like you can see, These are my notepad, we can say the pointers, notepads. Okay. So you can see this is my writing and all. I have written all the notes of that workshop. Okay. And now what I want to keep a remember of these points because it is in my workbook, not in the soft copy. What I'll do, I'll just upload this whole book, whole scan copy of this document, and that document will read it out for you. Okay. And it's very amazing. So this is the system one. If I want to ask this thing, the system will give you the answers. I tried this thing with ChatGPT, but ChatGPT was not able to read this document properly. And I tried again with notebook LM. It gave me amazing answers. So I'll just try again for you. I'm just selecting this file and I'm uploading the document here. Okay, so it works on the notebooks. So if you have any soft copy, in hard copy, you can scan that copy and you just upload the document here, and it will upload it whole document. And you just have to write the prompts. Like I want the speakers uh, updates or speaker notes which I wrote. Okay, so this is how it is now reading whole document. When it will be done, I want the speaker's notes which I wrote during the session or during the sessions. So I have or control. I'm just control here. Please give me whole summary of from this notebook. So first of all, it is giving the whole summary, this one. And now I'm just putting this one. Please give me a whole summary from this notebook. So it will give the whole summary, which is mentioned in the notebook. So you can see the whole summary is here, which is in the scanned copy of the notebook. I'm not just putting the soft copy directly. I'm just putting the scanned copy from my Google Lens that I've written, and it is giving the whole answers. And I just to copy these things and I can use it to create my content if I want. Okay. And if you want that one, oh, sorry, I want the notes of speakers session. Okay, so there was a one session about the speaker, so it will give the whole speaker's name and all the pointers. Okay, so see, this is a speaker name. What are the points I have mentioned in the notebooks? All the points are coming like this. This is a speaker name. All the points are coming. Speaker name. So whenever you are organizing any session, if people are writing their notes and all, they can upload in the notebook LN, and whole copy of that document can be crafted like this. So you can see all the note points are available here. Okay, so this can be done for any notebooks, any book also which is available to you. Okay, you can ask, can you create some quiz around these points? Okay, if you want to create some quiz also for your team, or if you want to, so can you create some quiz around these points, and it will create some quiz like this. According to this, what is ultimate fuel? So you have a correct answers and the questions is also here. So if you want to create some quiz for your team, questionnaire and all, that can be done through this tool. The notebook LM is amazing. Sounds exciting. Type exciting in the chat box if from a notebook how you are taking a content. From the soft copy also can be done. If you have any scanned, you can take a scanned copy and upload the document here. Okay. Great. So it's exciting. Okay, let's come back to the lovable.ai. I think it is creating the content because I have given a very long prompt. So it is still creating the content. I will not go here. Let me just come back to my presentation. So we have covered a chat GPT. I would recommend please complete that file which I shared with you. That will definitely help you to make your productive task, non-productive task, and other things which is there in the prompts. You can tweak the prompts if required. Otherwise, those prompts are amazing. Okay. We have covered this notebook LM. We have covered Perplexity. Then we have covered Grok. We have covered Napkin AI. We have covered remove.bg. We have covered Lovable Tap. And there's another things. There's an AI for that. This also you can explore it. Another this snapshot I got from one place. If you want to learn anything, Google AI Studio is also a very good platform. You can do that. Napkin AI, as I mentioned, study effectively if you want to create visuals, if you want to build websites. Replit is also there. Okay, so you have to go to paid version of that if you want to create websites. But websites can also be created in Canva also. If you are not aware, website can be created in the Canva also. Then we have Perplexity. Then we have Network Better. Mindy AI is also. I am exploring. I have not covered this Mindy and Replit because I am exploring those tools. I am not much sure about those tools. That's why I have not covered in my presentation. But yes, this is a snapshot I am showcasing. These tools can also be explored. Okay. So with this, we have come to the end of this workshop, and I just wanted to share any questions if you people have. Any questions if you people have, please, if you can raise your hand, I will bring you in the panelist session, in panelist sections if you want to come. And so we have Mihir sir. Let me ask to promote to the panelist. Great. I think, sir, you are now in the panelist. Uh, Promote to panelist. Just accept our request. Yeah, easy on. Yes, chief.
Anuj, I don't have a question. I just want to thank you for a superb session. I have learned a lot.
Thank you so much.
I have been deep diving a lot in chat. I mean, artificial intelligence. There are quite a few of the tools which I was not aware of, and I think the usage is simply outstanding. Brilliant.
Thank you so much.
Really appreciate. And I think the way you have explained it, also you kept everyone engaging. From my office, close to around 4 to 5 people have joined in. Right?
Oh wow! Thank you so much. Great.
Great job. Great job.
Great, sir. Thank you so much. Anyone else who would like to add anything? I will promote to the panelist. Anyone else from the team? Let me just check. Anyone else who would like to, I think, or if you want to share anything, please write your. Okay, we have Mr. Balakrishna. Let me promote to the panelist.
Just one suggestion, Anuj. I think Canva, I think workshop is a must. I think that is something you must look into.
So I'm just sharing the this thing also. Let me just this slide is very important. Okay, so everyone who are on the call right now, we have this thing, our schedule of youth administrative team. So today we are this one AI one. Next 28th we are covering this green events because there is a one more initiative of ISHRE. We have to track the carbon emission of our all the ISHRE events. So we are having a one tool. We will be showcasing the how to use that tool, and at the chapter level how you can utilize that tool and how you can track the carbon emission of your events. So that is the one thing I would request. It will be conducted by Mohit. So please be there on May 28th, same time, same place on the Zoom platform. Mohit will be leading that session. June 11th, we have a lead with purpose. And Ankur will be sharing a volunteering leadership. He has been the president of Surat chapter. Now he's a zonal youth chair. So he will be sharing how ISHRE has helped him in his journey. So he will also share like how to lead with purpose. June 21, Fit for Life. We have one more passionate person in our team, which is who is Prabhat. So Prabhat is our vice chair, youth administrator, and he's very fitness free. Okay, so if you go to his Instagram profile, he used to put the gym photograph, gym videos, and also he will be sharing on the yoga day how to be fit in our life. Okay, so he will be sharing. July 9th, Speak to Inspire. We have one more speaker in our team. We have Sandeep Vasant from Bangalore. He's our zonal South chair. He will be speaking because he's a master of stage events. Okay. And he will be sharing how to handle stage events and all, how to create more audience, like engaging audience and all. So those things will be shared by Sandeep. July 23, we have Canva, which Mihir boss mentioned. So I will be taking that sessions because I am using Canva in my day-to-day life. Okay. So this presentation is also on the Canva. I have like a, I can say, जो पावर पॉइंट है वो तो मैंने बहुत टाइम से ओपन ही नहीं किया है. वॉट एवर द प्रेजेंटेशन आई क्रिएट, वॉट एवर द प्रेजेंटेशन आई गेट, आई अपलोड इन द कैनवा फर्स्ट एंड आई use Canva only. Okay, because it is very useful for like a collaboration purpose also. Like you can collaborate with other person, the same person can work on the same time in the same presentation. Okay, so that is the one thing. So if you are using PowerPoint, go to another platform. Canva is the best part. There's another tool, AI also. I have explored the other AI tools also for the presentations, but Canva is best, which I have seen. Okay, and I'm using the paid version of Canva because that we are using. Another sessions we have August 6th is all about SOP. So Mohit will be taking about how, because as a business owner, as a in our business, we have to do a lot of things. We have to set up a lot of procedures and all. So how to do that? So Mohit will share the session on that. August 20th, how to create a career in the HVAC and industry, in the building industry. So Ankur will cover that. September 3, master your minutes. So time management, because Sandeep is the zonal chair south of Uttar Pradesh. He's a program chair at Bangalore chapter. He is at a very good position in his company. Along with it, he's a part of the other society. So how he's managing time, family, society, company. So he will be sharing how to utilize our time effectively. October 8th is our startup smart. That is Ashu, our vice president. He will be sharing navigating compliances and compliances. So how as a startup and MSME, what are the compliances are there? So this session is must for all the startup free. November 12th, money matters, financial freedom is very important. So this Prabhat will taking through like personal finance. Okay, so this sessions, the workshop will be having a, or we will try to create all the workshop, not a webinar or not a like kind of a meeting. Okay, we will be doing some exercise. Hope you like the way of teaching or way of sharing the information, so that you people were here with me and you were interacting in the chat box. Okay, so we'll try to have those kind of a sessions per all sessions. December 10th, again, power of personal branding. So I will be covering that one, like how you can brand yourself in your business, how you can position yourself differently. So those things we are covering. And whoever on the call right now, if you also wish to be a speaker of any topic, please reach out to me. We can add more sessions in this in between, and we will be doing those sessions with you. So if you are a youth chair, if you are a marketing chair, or any of the and from any chapters, if you want to do any sessions on our youth literature platform, please come forward. Let's do sessions together and for everyone. Okay. So thank you so much. I think we have Mr. Balakrishna who wants to add something. Yes, sir. Over to you.
Yeah, hi Anuj.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Hello,
Balakrishna from Goa.
hello,
Yeah,
sir.
excellent presentation. I really liked it. We were really kept thinking what is coming next, but really excited to get to the Chat GPT and other AI tools
Mm-hmm.
to use in our presentations.
Right,
I am basically coming from the teaching field, and I think these tools will absolutely going to help us
right.
in our day-to-day activities. Yeah.
Absolutely, sir. So thank you so much for attending the sessions, and I recommend you to. I think we have Miss Jennifer also from Goa. So we have a very good presence from Goa. So I would recommend whatever I've shared with you, you can organize the same event at your chapter level also. Okay, I can share this presentation with you if you want. The same
Yeah.
event can be done at the chapter level. Okay, to your for your members who could not join this session. Okay, so this can be a one event which you can plan. And your youth chair, whoever I think Smitesh from Goa is a youth chair from Smitesh, so he can lead that session from Goa. Great. Anyone else
Yeah,
who would like to add
absolutely.
anything?
Yeah.
Anuj, I would like
Thank you so
our
much.
ISHRE HQ office to unmute themselves and tell them how did they find the entire office today is sitting for your presentation.
Yes, so that's the power. Yeah. So how was the presentation, Anil, Saloni, Dheeraj? Anyone would like to add anything?
Yes, sir. We also enjoy the PPT, sir. And we also love the napkin.ai
Mhm.
for PPT for visuals are also great, sir. And we
Okay.
definitely use this AI tool our next presentation, sir.
Okay. Great. Super. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Give me a minute. I'll just okay. Right. So I believe the Napkin, ChatGPT, Notebook LM, these tools are very good, and I'm also using it. So explore as much as you can. Also, we will try another sessions on different other tools. I could not share because we had only 90 minutes time to do this workshop, but in the next sessions we will be sharing more sessions, more tools. So let's take a one picture. I believe everyone cannot come because everyone in the attendees mode. But I think Mihir boss is here, our HQ team is here. We will take a one picture like this, and this picture I will post on our BOG group. Everyone who is the office can our conference room, just do like this, and I'll just, or if anyone wants to come on the picture, please put in the come on the room. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, perfect. I have taken this picture and I'll post in the BOG group. So thank you so much, everyone. With this, we have come to the end of this sessions, and I request you to please be active, support ISHRE, bring more people in this society. And if you need any support from youth committee, please reach out to me, my team, all your youth chairs who are working at a chapter level, and let's make this society visible to everywhere. Okay. So that's
Anuj, and
one.
I hope this presentation, I mean, this recording will be on the issue.
YouTube. Yes, it will be on the ISHRE TV, so that we will make all the sessions, we will make it available on the ISHRE TV. So thank you, everyone. Bye-bye, take care, and see you. Look forward to see you on the 28th, which is on the next session. Bye-bye.